Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to import Excel data into Stata. So I opened my Excel spreadsheet file, as you can see here. So the first row, as you can see in this spreadsheet file, is the name of the variables like country, year, developed, demog, food and sig, EFPC. So we are gonna now import it into Stata. So we're gonna start from the scratch. So I'm gonna close it first, and then I will show how to open. So I'm gonna open it again, yeah, and then click on File, and then Import, because we are importing data from Excel. So the first option, Excel spreadsheet, but you also have other options if you have other different types of data set in different formats like CSV or SPSS, SAS, etc. You might want to use that. So we have Excel spreadsheet. Now I'm going to click on Excel, and then it asks for the data set. So I'm browsing the data set from my computer, and we have data set. This is my data set. I'm going to click Open. So it gives this window and gives me the choice, import first row as variable names. As we have our first row in this Excel data sheet is the name of the variables, we're gonna treat the first row as variable names. So we click here, we check this box, and then we click OK, and we are done. You can see the name of the variables here in this variable window. But also you can see the data set in data editor. So yeah, country, year, etc., as similar to what you can see in Excel spreadsheet data set. But you can also run some basic data set like descriptive statistics on this data set, like SU means summary. Summary of the statistics, basically all means all variables. So yeah, so now we have the results for this descriptive statistics. You have variables, number of observations, mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum. So these are statistics for all these variables. So that's all how we import data of Excel spreadsheet into Stata.